What are we cooking today, Joyce?
Something really, really weird.
Really?
This is marrow.
Ooh.
What?
Is this a French dish?
No, this is Chinese. This dish is my favorite.
It's like bubble gum.
Yeah, I don't want so much water.
Okay.
That means I don't need to cut it smaller. It's always a silver lining. One piece I didn't do it because they have a membrane. You have to cut it.
Where do you buy that?
You cannot buy it here because I'm friendly with my butcher, and I asked him, "Can I get that?" And he was saying that I have to save it for you. He go through all the pig that they have. So here, you take this out.
Okay.
Because you don't want the membrane.
So that's like the skin.
You know what is bone marrow, right?
Nah, not really. I know it's like camp.
It's inside the bone.
Oh, okay.
You go to like steak house, you order like really expensive steak, they have a piece of bone next to it. People use a spoon to eat it. Colvin's like, I'm gonna put some ginger juice.
Fresh ginger juice.
What do you think? This is as fresh as you can get it. On top of that, just a dash. Chinese rice fry. This is really strong, like vodka. You know, those crazy Chinese people. I'm gonna put it in and steam it. It's almost there.
Oh.
For like 5-10 minutes. We can prep the picking sauce. Half a teaspoon cornstarch, a quarter cup of water, a little sugar, liquid amino, dark soy, baby king mushroom. I cut most of them already. And white asparagus in the can. I love white asparagus.
Does it taste different?
Yeah, it tastes different.
Crispier.
No, this one is soft. I have to cut it into half. You want a piece?
I'll wait, Joyce.
You wait, I won't. Little oil, 1 tablespoon, king mushroom. Don't make it in. Spread it out. This king mushroom, you don't shear it like this. It's not as tasty. See, it cooks. That's why it's okay cooking. Maybe I need a little bit more oil. Yeah, mushroom and oil. Soak it up. See, that's how you want it. It's like a little bit brown. I'm gonna cook it for another minute. Smell the difference? Smell like almost like almond. I'm gonna take it out. See all the oil gone. Seems like it was a lot, but
it's strong.
It's strong. I'm not gonna put oil in it. But this, you don't even need to cook much of it. The wok is hot enough. Now a little oil. Half a tablespoon. It's in a quiet taste. I try to not put the water in it, the juice in it, but I cannot. It's flashing now. I'm gonna put a little ginger. This is steam already. That's why it won't take long. I'll put a little bit more oil. See, you adjust because it looks like it's so dry. Okay, this is thickening sauce. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put this in. That's it. How easy. I'm going to take a picture and show it to my butcher. Colvin, this is all I want. It's an acquired taste, kitchen job. Yeah. Picture time. Colvin's like, this is a good small dish.